If you're looking for an awesome single serve coffee maker that has the ability to do cooled as well, you're absolutely going to love this. It has a detachable frother as well. You got the 4 brew styles here, built-in removable frother, brews multiple cup sizes, which is awesome. You go up to 24 ounces. You got the descaler reminder and the removable reserve. So the reserve is back here. You can get up to 40 ounces in there. This works just like a standard coffee machine. You put your pod up here. You're gonna put that down just like that. I have a cup right here. So you'll see here you have your on off, your descale. And this is where you're gonna select what size you want. So you can just select super easy, just like that. You do hot brew, you can do bold, or you do over ice. So we're just gonna hit hot brew just like that. And then it's going to start its thing. The cool part while we're waiting on that, you got this frother right here. So this just comes out just like that. You could either put it in right here or it could be removed. And you'll see here, it actually works really well, which is awesome. So if you're looking for a great single serve coffee maker, definitely check this one out. It works really well. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this for you.